Hello and welcome to the next video in the series, tools for project managers, product managers and product owners. I'm looking at Figma today. It's a user experience design tool. It's a better way to design, prototype and collaborate, but all in the browser, so you can make the relevant changes anywhere you are. So we've got a number of plans here. You've got the free version, you've got the $12 per editor per month, or you can pay $15 per month if you want to be billed monthly, and organization is $45 per editor per month billed annually. So on the free version you've got 2 members, 3 projects, 30-day version history, unlimited storage, unlimited viewers. You've got prototyping, code attributes, commenting, sketch import. You've got the relevant different products of export. Unfortunately, you have to wait until the professional version, where you can have private projects, you can have team library features, and then the organization one is you can have unlimited teams, you can have draft ownership, and you can have organization wide design system. So this gives you a general overview. I'm hoping to do a more in-depth review of this product tool at a later date. Please follow or subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much for your time. Also, can you like, comment and share this video? Thank you very much for your time. I will see you on the next video. Thank you very much. Bye.